like to thank my mom for organizing this big party for me. And she's really special to me, so like, you know. So I want to thank my mom for this because she's been there for me even though like not everything has like been going like how usually like families live together, but she supported me and she never lied to me about anything. And really like to thank her for that, for being there for me. Every step I take, she supports me, and I really like to thank her for that.
Kodwa vele kuthi hu uma ngicabanga ngithanda into